What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a proven plan that works for both vendors, producers and sellers of products, and affiliates. It is a way for vendors to motivate and reward a commission-only sales team. This way the vendor can cut down on staff costs and infrastructure by only paying on performance, whilst having a global sales team. Similarly, for affiliates, it is a way to earn income by selling other people's products and/or services without having to set up the traditional infrastructure to sell their own or somebody else's products. Affiliates have no need for office or retail space, no need to design or manufacture products, no packaging, no shipping, no customer support, no logistics, no need to deal with returns, and many more issues normally related to selling products. Most of the big companies today make use of the affiliate marketing plan. There are many examples of big brand names that do not own products or assets but act as an affiliate for others. For example, Hotels.com is the biggest hotel group in the world, yet do not own hotels. The same goes for Uber, the biggest taxi company in the world, yet their product, in this case the taxis, do not belong to them. There are countless more such examples, and these companies operate as affiliate marketers by offering somebody else's product or service to the market. Similarly, big corporates, down to the one-man businesses, also make use of affiliate marketing. Companies like Walmart, eBay, Amazon, Booking.com and many more, all have affiliate programs. It is like having a huge global sales team, without the costs and headaches associated with having such a sales team or the infrastructure associated with it. So summarizing, affiliate marketing is the process by which an affiliate earns a commission for marketing another person's or company's products or services. The affiliate's sole task is to warm up and deliver buyers to the product merchant's sales page. Once this translates into a sale, they credit the affiliate with that sale and gets a commission on that sale. They track sales via affiliate links on the product merchant's website. The technical details of how the tracking of sales and how the affiliate gets credited for the sale, I'll explain in more detail in another video. I hope you found value in this video, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell and we'll notify you when we release new videos on how to make money online. Have a look in the description below this video to see my #1 recommendation to make money online. You'll also find a link to download my free resources ebook, listing all the tools I use on my websites and YouTube channels. It also contained 20+ pages of free tools available on the internet to assist you. And a link to the calculators I've made to determine if my products can be promoted in a profitable way, what I can afford to spend on advertising, the sales versus profit calculator, as well as a profit versus sales calculator. Leave a comment below if you would like me to make a video on a specific topic that would help you to make money online. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.